So this is question number 41 from chapter of geometrical optics from H.C. Verma. Now here in this question it is given that the lens is thick. So we can't use the formula 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, because this lens makers formula that we generally use is valid only for thin lenses, whereas here the lens is thick, which means the two poles of the two refracting surfaces which the lens is made up of are not very close to each other. So if you want to draw the lens, so one refracting surface of the lens is like this, then the other refracting surface is like this here. So the lens is quite thick here, which means the one of the pole is P1 here and another of the pole is P2. Okay, both the radius of curvature are given to be 10 centimeter and the refractive index is given to be 1.5 in the question. It is given that the object is far away. If object is far away, which means that the rays are coming from minus infinity, which means the rays are coming parallel, we will consider the refraction from each surface separately because we are not able to apply the lens formula. The shaded part is actually this glass and on either side there is air. So let us apply the refraction from curved surface formula for the first refraction. So what do we have here? We have mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Now mu2 represents the refractive index of the medium in which the rays are there after refraction. After first refraction, first refraction will take place from this surface. Let's call it first surface. And here we have got this second surface. So after refraction from the first surface, the rays are going into the glass. So mu2 is mu of the glass, 3 by 2. V is what we need to find out. Mu1 represents the refractive index of the medium in which the rays are present before refraction. Before refraction, the rays are present in air, where the mu is 1. U is minus infinity. Mu2, as I said, is 3 by 2, 1. Radius of curvature is given to be 10. So we get 3 by 2v is equal to, this is 1 by 20. So v is equal to 30 centimeter, which means after refraction from the first refracting surface, the rays would like to converge. V is positive. That's how we came to know that the rays are wanting to converge. At what distance? Rays are wanting to converge at 30 centimeter after the first refraction. But this thickness is 5 centimeter. So rays will like to converge at this point here. After first refraction, that's how the rays want to go. And they want to converge at this point B, let's call it, where the distance is 30 centimeter from the pole 1. However, what is the problem? As these rays are traveling inside the glass, and if glass would have been there, they would have converged at B, but again they come out in the air, and again there is going to be refraction at point A and point B, and so we have to now use the refraction formula again, and these rays actually will not be able to converge at B but some other point. So this is going to be a second refraction from the second refracting surface. Now for the second refraction, which is going to happen from second refracting surface, the object is virtual because these are converging rays. What is the object distance? Object distance is measured from the pole. Pole for the second refracting surface is this P2, and from this P2 this distance will be 25, because the total distance is 30, from which you subtract this 5, so you get the remaining 25. So for the second refracting surface, the refraction taking place, we will apply the formula mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Now mu2 is the refractive index of the medium in which the rays are present after refraction. After refraction, since the rays are back into the air, so mu2 is 1. V is what we need to find out. Mu1 on the other hand is 3 by 2 because the rays before refraction are present in the glass before second refraction. U is 25 with plus because of the sign convention, virtual object. Mu2 is 1, mu1 is 3 by 2, radius is 10, but this time with a negative sign because of the sign convention. So 1 by v is equal to 3 by 50 plus, so this is like 1 by 20. So let's do some calculation here. So this is by 100. So 50 into 2 means like this will be 6 and this will be 5, 1 by v. So v will come out to be 100 by 11. If you calculate how much is this 100 by 11, you'll get 1 second, just let me do it. 9.09. So this is like 9.09. If you want to round it off, you can keep it as 9.1.